Okay, so on this episode of the Camry, we're going to be putting in something different. Brace. So, start that. You need a 15mm release for this one. And then we're going to put them in. Okay. And it won't fall out because it's on the ground. Well, I'm missing a bolt. So, we're just going to have to wing this for right now. I guess I'll just put these in. Let's not do that again. That'd be cool. Well, this is basically what it's supposed to look like when it's in. Until I get that other bolt. It won't be finished, so at least I got the bottom parts in. Alright, so I'm back several days and several hours later. Finished what I started. I finally found a bolt to fit it. So now we can finally stick this back onto it. With some force. Wow, you were in there. Okay. Oh. That side came out. Okay. View. And the washer. And loosely in there. Huh. You know what? Nope. What a small and thin that could fit in that hole besides myself. Oh, if you just do a little bit of a twisty twist, it moves. Okay. Oh, the Amish are coming, the Amish are coming. Shit. 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 Oh no. Oh. Oh, genius. Oh, I'm not a genius. Oh, you're on. Okay, we're good. Feels tight. I'm glad I found a random bolt to fix the problem. Thanks. Did I really grab everything but a 14? Alright, I'm gonna try to make this quick now. Should have paused it, but I didn't. Right. Ta-da! Oh, now test it out. Tomorrow. Because not tonight. Tonight, tired. Yes. Darkness.